Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Revolut and we will see the general overview, feature, spending UK, spending and using money abroad, plans and account type, how to apply, card and branches and the conclusion. But first please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Over the past few years, traditional banks have witnessed the migration of customers toward more nimble and contemporary startups. Among the prominent challenger banking brands in UK, Revolut and Monzo stand out. This comprehensive guide meticulously contrasts their attributes, aiding you in determining which of the two might align better with your preferences. Features. Revolut and Monzo boast an array of features within their mobile banking application. Both apps utilize spending category, automatically categorizing account transaction into relevant group like utility bills, transport, or dining. Revolut allows customization of categories, whereas Monzo adheres to preset options. Salary management, direct debit handling, and international payments are supported by both Revolut and Monzo. Monzo, however, utilizes Wise for incoming international payments, while Revolut doesn't accept checks or cash deposit. Both apps offer card freezing, in-app customer service chats, and Monzo also provides telephone support. It facilitates checks deposit via free post, but lacks a check scanning tools, whereas Revolut doesn't accept checks or cash deposits. Result: it's a tie. The similarity in features makes it challenging to declare a winner. Notably, Revolut offers customizable spending categories, while Monzo excels in cash and checks handling along with telephone support. Spending in the UK. Utilizing your Revolut or Monzo card incurs no charge for spending within UK, and both cards presently adhere to the updated maximum contactless payment limit of £100. Additionally, you have the option to integrate your Revolut or Monzo card with the Apple Pay and Google Pay. However, it's worth noting that neither card supports Samsung Pay. For UK ATM withdrawals, Monzo permits free transaction up to £250 every 30 days, after which a 3% fee is imposed. On the other hand, Revolut allows up to 5 ATM withdrawals or £200 free withdrawals each month. Once either limit is reached, subsequent withdrawals incur a 2% charge with a minimum fee of £1. Result: it's a tie. In terms of card features and fees for UK transaction, there is no discernible distinction between Revolut and Monzo. Spending and using abroad. Monzo stands out with its uncomplicated fee structure for international transaction. Using the Monzo card for purchases abroad incurs no charge, and for ATM withdrawals in the EEA you enjoy a generous free limit of £250 every 30 days. However, it's important to note that this £250 EEA free limit encompasses any UK ATM's withdrawals made within the same 30 days period. On the other hand, Revolut introduces a nuanced approach. While card purchases and cash withdrawals abroad are free on weekdays, up to a monthly limit of £1,000 and £200 respectively, a 0.5% markup applies on weekends. Revolut attributes this markup to the closure of international money markets of the weekend. It's worth mentioning that the 0.5% markup is applicable to major currencies, but for some minor currencies the markup increased to 2%. Victor, Monzo. With a simpler fee structure, Monzo offers entirely fee-free card spending abroad and a marginally higher free limit for ATM withdrawals in the EEA. Plans and account types. Both Revolut and Monzo present free account option and both have expanded their offerings to include subscription-based accounts with additional feature and allowance for a monthly fee. Revolut boasts a range of 4 paid tiers: Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra. On the other side, Monzo offers 2 paid tiers: Plus and Premium. Monzo stands out by providing joint account and teen accounts tailored for 16 and 17 years old. In contrast, Revolut offers joint account and feature a kids account named Revolut Minor 18, managed through the parent's account. Monzo doesn't offer a similar account for children, but both brands extend their services to business accounts. Winner, Revolut by a small margin. While both platforms offer free, premium, joint, and business account, Revolut gains a slight edge by providing a child account, whereas Monzo offers a teen account. Revolut takes the lead with a broader array of account options. How to apply? You can swiftly initiate the application process for either a Revolut or Monzo account through their dedicated mobile apps, completing it within a few minutes. There are no credit checks involved, but you'll need to submit a photo of your ID and a selfie. Typically, the accounts are activated on the same day, and both cards are dispatched by email. Monzo provides its card without an additional charge, whereas Revolut applies a £4.99 fee for card delivery, with a potential delivery time of up to 9 working days. Winner Monzo. Despite both accounts offering a rapid and convenient digital onboarding process, Revolut's card delivery charge of nearly £5, coupled with a potential 2-week delivery time, places Monzo ahead in this regard. Cards and branches. Upon opting for the complimentary standard account with Revolut, you'll be presented with a two-tone card in blue card pink. Conversely, the free Monzo account provides a card adorned in a coral blue. Both Revolut and Monzo lack physical branches, yet Monzo permits cash deposit at PayPoint location for a flat £1 fee up to £1,000 every 180 rolling days. While neither account accrues interest on positive balances, Monzo allows for overdraft application, a feature absent from Revolut. Monzo boasts a UK banking license, safeguarding individual customer funds up to £85,000 through the Financial Services Compensation Scheme (FSCS) in the event of a bank collapse. Revolut, lacking a UK banking license, does not offer FSCS protections. However, registered as a Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) authorized electronic money institution, Revolut secures customer funds in a segregated account at a licensed UK bank, ensuring the funds remaining ring-fenced in the event of Revolut's insolvency. Conclusion. Monzo stand out when comparing the complementary accounts from Revolut and Monzo. Both accounts managed through user-friendly apps share common features such as spending analysis, budgeting tools, savings functionalities, and the capability to execute international transfers. The resemblance between the two makes choosing between them challenging. However, if forced to make a single selection, Monzo might take the lead. It mirrors Revolut's primary banking and insight attributes but extends additional advantages, including the ability to deposit cash and checks, a feature absent in Revolut, and entirely fee-free card spending abroad. Monzo's possession of a UK banking license ensures FSCS protection for customer deposit, and there is no charge for card delivery. Nonetheless, Revolut maintains its unique perks. Currently, it offers free euro transfer to any account within the Single European Payments Area (SEPA) region. Moreover, for those interested in trading shares or acquiring cryptocurrencies, Revolut provides a direct avenue through its app. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.